Probably a half hour to drive through. Hello. And it's mostly sugar cane. This is the Philippines. This side of the Philippines in Sile is mostly sugar cane. So all the farmers live in the fields. I am blown away. And I think they make the equivalent of 480 pesos a day, which comes out, let's see, a thousand Filipino pesos is 18 bucks. They're making $9 a day. These are shanties, and you can call them squatters because their land could be taken from them at any moment.
Pasta and cheese. Die.
Come here.
Chicken, come on. The chicken is running. Come on.